everyone, today we are going to do a C++ program we actually had in the last lecture. Today I'm going to explain it and how to solve this question. The question was, write a C++ program that a user can enter a quantity and a price per item, and if he buys a certain quantity that reaches a certain price, he will get a 10% discount. Alright, so we have I think 5. Yeah, 5. Okay, we need to identify 5 new keywords into this program, which is the first, obviously, is in the question, quantity. Okay, and then price per item, also in the question, and discount, also in the question. But how do I get a discount? I need to make a total price. What's the total price? I need to identify that. Okay, and after the user gets a discount, I need to make a new total price, or price after a discount. Name it what you like. These can be named differently in the way you like. Okay, now why are we using floats? Because obviously we can have some fractures of a number, which is, let's say, 3.5, something like that. Alright, so after we used floats in every single one of them, now we need to do a cout. Okay, why do I need to do a cout? Because I want to prompt the user to enter the quantity that he wants to buy. Okay, and this is the cout. Many of you know how to write. I'm not gonna explain these or this into this video. I'm gonna do a separate video explaining how to use them. Okay, let me just put a space in here so I can make it way more even or something like that. Okay, so after I say enter the quantity you want to buy, I set the quantity, so I'm going to put cin quantity, which is this one. Copy and paste, and that's it, without the equal 0. You can say equal 0 or without it. It depends on you if you don't have mistakes or stuff like that. Now, since the question said prompt the user or let the user enter or input these keywords, focus on them. If he said that, that means I have to tell the user to enter the price per item. Okay, so I'm going to do a cout, obviously, and tell the user enter the item's price. I'm not going to say price per item, no. I'm going to say the item's price because there is a single item. Okay, focus on that. And then I'm going to use cin price per item. Copy and paste this. Okay, with this semicolon. Okay, now after I did that, now I need to make something new, right? We have the float total price. Okay, now I need to write total price equals a quantity multiplied by price per item. You are going to say, why should I do that? It's simple math. The price per item is a certain number. Let's say n, which is like a number. Okay, and the quantity, the price per item is n. Okay, and the quantity is like 15. How am I supposed to know the price of all of this? I cannot give the summation of this. No, I need to multiply it. Simple math, just think of it. Okay, now since I identified total price, now I need to use the if else statement. Why? Because the question says if the user total price is a certain number, which is, let's say, 5,000 in here, gets a 10% discount. This is the whole thing. So Basically, the question is a pseudocode. Just think of it that way. Okay, so now I'm not gonna teach you how to write if. That will be a separate video. So if total price is bigger or way more or equals 5,000, okay, total price equals a quantity multiplied by price per item. You can delete this or keep it like that, it's okay. Now I'm going to do cout. Why? Because I want to show the user his total. Okay, cout, your total is total price, which is this one. Okay, the float total price, copy and paste without the semicolon. Okay, and then also in the single line, okay, just gonna use this. Okay, and you are getting a 10% discount /n. /n will give you a new line. Okay, now I need to identify a discount. I can put it out there, but it won't read it in if, because we are using a barricade. Okay, discount equals total price multiplied by 0.1, which is 10% discount. If you want to do discounts at 10%, 25%, something like that, you just do it this way. You can't like I forgot the scientific word for that, but you get it. Okay, it's only multiplication. Okay, so cout, your discount is show discount. Okay, now you're going to identify the new total price. New total price equals total price minus discount. Okay, and now you're going to do cout, your total is, and then gonna show the total price, and if you choose you can do /n to get a new line, just what I recommend. Okay, now you close the barricades. Now you type in else. Cout, your total is total price /n. Why? Because if it gets lower than 5,000, you will not get a discount. Now let's try to run the program. I'm using Xcode right here, so your IDE might be different. So build succeeded. Okay, I think you should give it a few tries because it's the first time we're running this code in here. Okay, still loading. Okay, as we can see here, enter the quantity you want to buy. This is the first cout here. This is the first cout. Okay, now let's say I want to buy, let's say 5. Okay, now enter the item's price, which is the second cout. Okay, now let's say the item's price is 1,500, 1,500. All right, once I hit enter, we got in your total is 7,500, and you are getting a 10% discount. Your discount is 750. Your new total is 6,750. Program ended with code 0. So try to repeat the video and understand the program. So that was it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.